From the very beginning, Lake Winnipeg has been a great provider for those who have always been here and for the newcomers seeking a better life. Even now, with all her troubles, the catch is still there. But for how much longer? Human activity has changed the lake's chemistry. It's up to us to repair the damage and let her heal. But fixing that problem is a huge task. Measured by surface area, Lake Winnipeg is the 10th largest freshwater lake in the world, covering almost 24,000 square kilometers, with water flowing in from parts of 4 provinces and 4 states, home to 7 million people. So how can we help the lake heal? Every one of us has to do our part, but I know it can be done. I grew up in Gimli and know there are good people here with deep connections to the lake. And we're determined people. And I know in this place, anything is possible. The hard work has already begun. Cleanup of this 144-acre lagoon is underway. Today, where there was once wastewater, there's wildlife and inspiration. We have a dream. Turn this site into a wetland with trails and a striking new interpretive center, a place that honors Indigenous traditions, a gathering place for our community, and a gateway for visitors from far and wide to learn and experience nature. All the components for a natural wetland are already here, along with one of the finest beaches on the west shore of Lake Winnipeg. It's so much more than just a place to play. There's a rare riparian zone here. A thick strip of trees and brush on the lakeshore protects the marsh and provides a natural filter for water flowing into the lake. It's exactly what's needed to help our lake heal. Our mayor and council have rezoned the beach and the marsh. It's protected parks and recreation land now. But there's a lot more work to do to continue the healing and fulfill this site's potential. But we can't do it alone. We need your support. Today, we're drawing inspiration from those who were here first. They chose to live in harmony with nature, taking only what they needed while protecting the land and the water for future generations. We believe that's the right path forward for our lake and for all of us.